Cupra has officially revealed full specifications for the 2026 Tavascan, the Spanish performance brand's second all-electric model and its most ambitious electric SUV to date. Built on the Volkswagen Group's MEB platform and assembled in China through a joint venture with JAC Group, the Tavascan targets buyers looking for sporty electric crossover performance in a coupe SUV package. Two variants are now available in global markets, with the flagship VZ model pushing 340 horsepower. The Tavascan launched in Europe and other markets throughout 2024, with production ramping up for 2025 and 2026 model years. This electric crossover sits above the Cupra born in the lineup and positions itself as a direct competitor to the Tesla Model Y, Kia EV6, and the related Volkswagen ID.5. The concept version first appeared at the 2019 Frankfurt Motor Show, with production confirmation coming in March 2021 and the official reveal happening in April 2023. Under the body, the Tavascan offers two powertrain configurations. The entry-level endurance model uses a single rear-mounted motor delivering 210 kilowatts or 286 horsepower with 545 newton-meters of torque. This rear-wheel drive setup accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.8 seconds. The performance-focused VZ variant adds a second motor on the front axle for all-wheel drive, bringing combined output to 250 kilowatts or 340 horsepower. With both motors working together, the VZ sprints from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 5.5 seconds and reaches a top speed electronically limited to 180 kilometers per hour. Both variants rely on a 77 kilowatt-hour usable capacity lithium-ion battery pack mounted in the floor. The Endurance achieves up to 553 kilometers of WLTP range, while the heavier all-wheel drive VZ model delivers 513 kilometers. Real-world driving typically sees around 400 to 450 kilometers depending on conditions. Fast charging capability reaches 135 kilowatts on DC chargers, allowing 10 to 80% charges in approximately 28 minutes. Home charging with 11 kilowatt AC systems takes 7 to 8 hours overnight. Visually, the Tavascan showcases Cupra's aggressive coupe SUV design language with a low roofline, sculpted flanks, and distinctive matrix LED lighting. The body measures 4,644 millimeters long, 1,861 millimeters wide, and 1,597 millimeters tall, riding on a 2,766 millimeter wheelbase. Standard equipment on the VZ includes 20-inch aero wheels with optional 21-inch performance wheels, matrix LED headlights, and DCC Sport adaptive suspension for sharper handling dynamics. The Cupra Tavascan earned a 5-star safety rating in European markets, though it received a 4-star rating in Australia due to missing safety assist features. Standard safety equipment includes autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. If you want to stay updated on the latest electric vehicle news like the 2026 Cupra Tavascan, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our coverage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.